Hello, my name is Melissa. In this video, I'm going to talk about and demonstrate to you how to use the new item commandlet in PowerShell. Let's start with defining what a commandlet is. In PowerShell, a commandlet is often referred to as commands that are used to carry out specific functions. The new item commandlet belongs to the Microsoft PowerShell utility module. This module helps to manage windows in PowerShell. The Microsoft documentation describes the new item as a commandlet that creates a new item and sets its value. The types of items created depends on the location of the item. In the file system, new item creates files and folders, whereas in the registry, it creates registry keys and entries. Supported parameters for the new item commandlet includes name and path. These are required parameters, and they're both strings. Both name and path accepts pipeline input. Some of the objects generated include file system objects and PS credential objects. Then there are also some optional parameters we can use, like confirm, item type, and value. So now that we have more of an idea of what the new item commandlet does, let's see how it works. Now we can take a look and see how the new item commandlet works. So in our PowerShell console, I'm just going to enter new item. Next, I'm going to use the first parameter, which is path. Since I'm going to create a new item in our current directory, I'm just going to insert a period, and that'll create the new item in our current directory. Then I'm going to enter the name parameter. And this will be followed by the name of the file. I'm going to create a text file, so we'll call this a demo file.txt. Once we have our name, we can then enter the item type parameter. And our item type is a file, so I'm just going to enter file. And the last parameter we're going to use for this example is the value parameter. And whatever we enter after the value parameter, that will be inserted into our text file. So I'm going to enter a string of text, and I'm just going to say this text will be inserted into our file. So I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see over here, it gives us a little summary. It says the length of our value, and it also gives the name. So now I'm just going to bring up a folder. So we can see here that the file has been created in System32. So right now in System32, and I'm just going to search for demo. And there it is, the file that we just created. So when I double click on it, we can see over here the value that we entered. This text will be inserted into our file, and it is in fact in our file. So that is a simple example of how we use the new item commandlet in PowerShell.